I don't think my experiment worked. No, I'm pretty certain it didn't work. Oh, the lady knows that I'm on fire. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, thank you. I need that for my experiment. I need one other thing. All right. Oh my goodness. Well, how are you doing? I am Cecil Dork. And not to be confused with Cecil Dork. He's a different guy. All right? I am Cecil Dork. All right? And I am very glad to be here with you today. I am a professor. As you can see, I do things. And they don't always work. But here I have my next experiment is I'm going to take this and I am going to put it in here. Oh yes, I'm very excited. Oh yes. Ready? Oh my goodness. Hold on, let's try something else. If at first you don't succeed, yeah. In this case, don't keep on sucking till you succeed. All right. That was not. Oh no! We put a cap on it. No! It didn't work again. Oh well. Need more sugar. I am Professor Cecil Dork, and I am here today to explain a few things to you. I have brought with me today. Could somebody help me?
You dropped something.
I dropped something. I think I need another bucket of water. Oh, the leg fall?
This is so funny.